Hey guys, it's Miss Clark. I am going to do the math lesson today for Thursday, January 28th, 2021. And our I can statement is I can find sums for three two-digit numbers using various strategies. So instead of just two two-digit numbers, we're doing three now. Okay. So let's look at our number talk. So we have 57 plus 10. Okay. And then we have 57 plus 14. All right. And then we have 57 plus 30. And then we have 57 plus 36. Okay. That last one's a little tricky. So remember, you can add tens and ones in your head and it will help you speed up your mental math. Also, knowing your single digit addition and subtraction is going to really help you later on. Okay. So let's keep going. So we've got our word problem today. And as you can see, it's a picture of penguins. And it says, blank penguins are huddled together to keep warm. Blank penguins leave to hunt for food. How many are left in the huddle? Okay, well, how about we do 56 penguins are huddled together to keep warm. Blank penguins leave to hunt for food. How about 27? Okay, so how many are left in the huddle? All right, so now, as you probably noticed, when you write your equation, 56 minus 27 equals box. Okay, so if we do tens and ones, if we split it up, so if we do this, if we do 56, okay, so I'm going to use the tens and ones chart just for fun. So 56, 27. Okay, now we do the tens first. What's 50 minus 20? So 50. 40, 30, 20. Okay, so that's 30. All right, can you do 6 minus 7? So if I have 6 fingers, can I take away 7? No. But if you do 7 minus 6, it's 1. So we have to do 30 minus 1, okay, because that was left over. 30 minus 1 would be 29. Okay, now for some of you, you're probably like, I don't understand what that means. Is this the right answer? Well, I have a secret way to check our answer. Okay. So we know that we're going to add our two small numbers together. Okay. So if we do it up and down, 29, 27. I put the tens on one side and ones on the other. Okay, what's 20 plus 20? Is 40. 9 plus 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. 40 plus 16 is 56. Is that the original number of penguins that we had? Yes, right there. So, is our answer correct? Yes. So 29 is the correct answer. Now, you don't have to use the tens and ones way. You could do number line. You could use your hundreds board. You could use base 10. You could use tally marks. Tally marks would take a lot longer, but base 10 and all the rest of them would be great strategies. Okay, so go ahead and write that down. Okay, now let's keep going. So, some of our vocabulary, we have sum, equation, and addends. Sum means the answer to an addition problem. Equation, of course, is the two numbers put together. Addends, an addend is one part of a problem. So for example, if we did 56 plus 24, this is an addend, and this is an addend. It's one of the numbers being added to the other one, okay? So that's what an addend is. All right, now, remember, today our goal is to find sums for three two-digit numbers using various strategies. Okay, so here are your word problems. Okay, so let's do the first one together. It says Evan makes berry smoothies with 26 strawberries, okay, 14 blueberries, and 16 raspberries. How many berries does Evan use? Choose two of the ones digits that are easy for you to add. Okay, let me write it another way. Instead of up and down or vertical, you write it horizontal. So 26 plus 14 plus 16. Okay, so looking at our ones digit, 4 plus 6 is what? 10. Looky there, we've got a 10 to help us out. So now we have 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, that's 30. And then 30 plus 26 would be 56. Okay, because you did 30 plus 20 is 50, 0 plus 6 is 6. Okay, so do you see how I did that? I started off with the ones, I made a 10, then I added the tens together, and then the ones. You could have put the 20 on there, like that, from here, but I figured that might be a little bit confusing just to start off with since we haven't done this before. So I thought it would be easier to do it that way. Okay, so let's do another one. Don't forget, you can pause the video at any time. All right, next one. It says Amelia plays with 26 green marbles, 14 red marbles, and 16 purple marbles. How many marbles does Amelia play with? First of all, looking at our word problem, it says how many marbles does Amelia play with? Look at the question. Okay, that usually means addition. It's asking for a total. Okay, so now we're going to write our equation. 26 plus 14 plus 16. Sounds familiar. Now it says, look at the ones digits. Choose two of the digits that are easy for you to add. Same thing right here. 4 plus 6 is what? 10. Okay, so now you've got the tens. Let's see if we can do it this way. 10 plus 10 right here, plus 10 right here, plus 20 right here. We go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50. And then 50 plus 6 is also 56. Okay, so which two digits are doubles? That's a good question. So we had 26 and we had 16. 6 and 6 was a double. You could have used that one too. But since 4 plus 6 is 10, tens are usually easier to add, in my opinion. Okay, so our answer for that one is also 56. Okay, so go ahead and write that down, work it out. You don't have to work it out the way I do, but I figured it'd be easier to do it that way since you're doing it by tens and ones. Okay, so I'm going to erase. All right, how many we got left? Let's do one more and then you can do the rest. All right, so there are 14 people on a bus. At the next stop, 24 people get on the bus. Okay, that usually means add. At the last stop, 19 people, again, get on the bus. How many people are on the bus now? Okay, so we're going to write it in the order that the problem says. 14 plus 24 plus 19. Oh, let's look at our ones. So we have two fours right here. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 10. Let's back up. Okay, can we do that? Okay, so we've got 8 right here. Now, we're going to cross out the two fours that we've already added. So now we've got our tens, and we've got a 9 left. So 8 plus 9. So 8 plus 9 is 8. So hold 8 in your hand. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that's our ones. Boom, we got our ones. But we're not done yet because we haven't done our tens. So now we have 10 plus 10 plus 20. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so that's 40 plus 17 would be 57. Okay, because 40 plus 10 is 50, and then 50 plus 7 is 57. Okay, so I found the doubles in that problem and added them up. Now, if you want to, you can always add the tens first and then the ones. That might be easier for some of you. We can do it that way. All right, so I'm going to erase it and we're going to rewrite it a different way. So what if we start off with our biggest number, 24 plus, and then 19 plus 14? What if we start off with our tens first? So 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, we know we have 40. Okay, now we've got our ones left. We still know that 4 plus 4 is 8. So 40 plus 8 is 48. Are we done yet? No, because we have 48 plus 9. So 48, start up. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Did we get the same answer that we did the last time? Yes. And all we did was added the tens first and then the ones. See? Any way you work it out, it's going to be the same. All right, so now I want you to solve the rest of the problems on your page. Okay, so let me get my packet. That's not it. Thought I had it in front of me. There it is. All right, so for Thursday math, it should say Thursday, January 28th, and it should look like this. It says Module 13-4. We've already done number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now your job is to do numbers 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I'll read them out loud and you can solve them as you go. Okay, that's it. You've only got 3 left. You can do it. All right, number 4. Okay, number 4. At a farm stand, there are 33 carrots, 32 cucumbers, and 27 tomatoes. How many items are at the farm stand? Show your work. All right, go ahead and solve. All right, number 5. In a library, there are 36 science books, 29 sports books, and 14 poetry books. How many books are in the library? Show your work. So that's number 5. Okay, pause the video. All right, number 6. Kira finds some pine cones. Paola finds some pine cones. Sergey finds 24 pine cones. How many pine cones do they find? Choose numbers that will have a sum of 100 or less. Find the sum, show your work. So for that one, you are making up 2 numbers, 2 two-digit numbers to put in there. And the answer has to be less than 100. Okay? Good luck, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.